They say it's the last untouched place on Earth, a frozen kingdom at the edge of our planet, where temperatures drop below -80 degrees Celsius, and winds can cut through steel. Antarctica. From space, it looks peaceful. Endless white, pure silence. But beneath that frozen surface lies something we've never truly understood. It's not just ice. It's history, mystery, and maybe danger. What if I told you there are things buried under this ice that could rewrite human history? Ancient mountains, lost continents, and even traces of life that shouldn't exist? This is the untold story of what's hidden beneath Antarctica. One, the hidden world below. For centuries, Antarctica was believed to be nothing more than a frozen wasteland, a place too harsh, too lifeless to hold any secrets. But recent discoveries prove the opposite. Deep beneath the surface, scientists have found over 400 subglacial lakes, sealed off from the rest of the planet for millions of years. The most mysterious of all is Lake Vostok. It lies under 4 kilometers of solid ice, completely isolated since the age of dinosaurs. Its water is warm, filled with pressure and life-supporting minerals. When Russian researchers drilled into it, what they found shocked the world. Traces of unknown DNA, bacteria that don't match anything known to science. Could this mean that life can evolve in total darkness, without sunlight, just like on icy moons such as Europa or Enceladus? If true, Antarctica isn't just a frozen continent. It's a window into alien biology right here on Earth. 2. The lost continent. Using radar and satellite scans, scientists have uncovered something extraordinary beneath the ice. A vast network of ancient mountain ranges, valleys, and rivers. They call it the Gamburtsev Mountains, a hidden world as large as the Alps, but completely buried beneath more than a mile of ice. According to geological evidence, these mountains predate the last ice age. Some researchers believe that before the freeze, Antarctica was once covered in forests, home to dinosaurs, lakes, and flowing rivers. Imagine, 50 million years ago, palm trees and ferns grew where today the coldest winds on Earth blow. In 2013, scientists even discovered fossilized pollen and remains of trees deep beneath the ice sheet, proof that Antarctica was once alive. And if that's true, could other things, perhaps civilizations, have existed there before it froze? That's where mystery turns into speculation. Some fringe researchers claim radar scans have picked up geometric structures, too precise to be natural. Could they be ruins, or just tricks of the data? We may never know, because much of Antarctica remains off-limits to exploration. 3. Secrets, wars, and the Antarctic Treaty. After World War II, Antarctica became more than just a frozen desert. It became a geopolitical mystery. In 1946, the U.S. launched Operation Highjump, the largest military expedition ever sent to Antarctica. With 13 ships, 33 aircraft, and over 4,000 personnel. The mission was supposed to test equipment in extreme conditions, but within months, it ended abruptly. Reports claimed heavy losses and unexplained incidents. To this day, conspiracy theorists claim the mission encountered something they couldn't explain. From Nazi bases hidden beneath the ice to unidentified flying objects. Officially, none of that was confirmed. But soon after, in 1959, something remarkable happened. The Antarctic Treaty was signed, banning all military activity, territorial claims, and commercial exploitation. No mining, no bases, no colonization. Sounds noble, right? But it also means that for over 60 years, the world's most resource-rich, mysterious continent has remained sealed off from the public eye. What could be down there that governments don't want us to see? 4. Ancient maps and lost knowledge. Here's where things get strange. In 1513, long before Antarctica was officially discovered, a Turkish admiral named Piri Reis created a map that shocked modern historians. It showed the coast of Antarctica, without ice. How could a map from the 16th century accurately depict a landmass buried under ice for tens of thousands of years? Some believe the map was based on ancient knowledge, passed down from advanced civilizations that existed before the last ice age. If true, that would rewrite everything we think we know about human history. It would mean someone, long before modern science, had explored the southernmost parts of Earth. Could these civilizations have vanished when Antarctica froze? Or did they leave behind something waiting to be rediscovered beneath the ice? 5. Melting and awakening. Today, Antarctica is changing faster than ever. Each year it loses around 150 billion tons of ice, melting at a rate scientists once thought impossible. As the ice retreats, satellites are capturing new shapes, new formations emerging from below. Valleys, frozen lakes, even strange magnetic anomalies. In 2018, NASA detected a massive heat source under the West Antarctic ice sheet, so powerful that it's melting the ice from beneath. Some believe it's volcanic activity. Others say it's something else. If Antarctica continues to melt, the world could face catastrophic sea level rise. But we could also finally uncover the secrets that have been trapped for millions of years. The question is, are we ready for what we might find? Outro Antarctica is not just a continent. It's a mirror, reflecting both the beginning and the end of life on Earth. It hides the past beneath kilometers of silence and warns us of the future as the ice disappears. Maybe the real secret of Antarctica isn't what lies under the ice, but what happens when we finally melt it all away.